Hello, photography enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the captivating world of Fujifilm cameras as we unveil our selection of the top 5 best Fujifilm cameras of 2023. Fujifilm has always been synonymous with exceptional image quality and innovative design, and this year is no different. We've rigorously tested and compared the latest camera models, considering factors like image performance, versatility, ease of use, and value for money. Each camera on our list brings something special to the table. Whether you're a professional photographer or an eager beginner, you'll find product links in the description below, so don't miss that. Before we start this photographic journey, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more photography content, and ring that notification bell. Let's capture memories together. Starting at number 5. Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo. The Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo Hybrid Instant Camera is an innovative and creative tool for photography enthusiasts. This analog-style camera brings your vision to life, allowing you to experiment with various lens effects, film effects, and exposure settings. With 10 lens effects and 10 film effect options, you have endless creative possibilities at your fingertips. Whether you want vivid colors, retro vibes, or soft focus, this camera lets you achieve the look you desire. The camera's ability to print instant photos at 600 dpi ensures stunning image quality. You can choose between Instax Rich mode for a vibrant look or Instax Natural mode for a classic appearance. It's a fantastic way to capture memories and share them instantly. For those who want to share their photos on social media, the Instax Mini Evo app allows you to save digital copies of your prints on your smartphone. This camera merges the charm of analog photography with modern connectivity. With its versatile shooting options and instant gratification, the Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo is perfect for anyone who enjoys hands-on photography and wants to add a creative twist to their shots. At number 4. Fujifilm X Pro 3. The Fujifilm X Pro 3 is a camera designed for the modern photographer who values tradition and innovation. Its hybrid optical/electronic viewfinder and hidden LCD touchscreen create a unique shooting experience, reconnecting you with your subject. With state-of-the-art imaging sensors and professional quality video capabilities, the X Pro 3 delivers spectacular results. It combines the charm of film with the precision of digital, offering the true photographer's tool. The camera's compact and durable design makes it suitable for photographers on the move. Whether you're shooting in the field, on the streets, or in the studio, it's a camera that encourages creativity while delivering top-tier performance. For those who appreciate the tactile feel of traditional controls but also seek the advantages of digital technology, the Fujifilm X Pro 3 is a perfect match. At number 3. Fujifilm X-T5. The Fujifilm X-T5 is a compact powerhouse that marries portability with exceptional imaging capabilities. Featuring a high-resolution 40-megapixel X-Trans 5 HR sensor, this camera is a dream come true for photographers who crave detail and image quality. Despite its compact size, the X-T5 boasts impressive features like a 7-stop in-body image stabilization system and pixel shift multi-shot mode, which can produce astonishing 160-megapixel images. Its 3-way tilting LCD with 1.84 million pixels provides flexibility in composing shots. For videographers, the X-T5 doesn't disappoint. It can record up to 6.2K video in 10-bit color internally, or output 12-bit Apple ProRes RAW and Blackmagic RAW via HDMI. The camera's APS-C system and fast electronic shutter make it a great tool for capturing moving subjects. The X-T5 retains Fujifilm's renowned film simulations and introduces the nostalgic negative film simulation for a classic film look. With its performance, compactness, and retro design, the Fujifilm X-T5 is perfect for those who need a versatile and powerful camera for both photography and videography. At number 2. Fujifilm X100V. The The Fujifilm X100V is a versatile and stylish compact camera that blends retro design with modern imaging capabilities. Its 26.1 MP X-Trans CMOS4 sensor, coupled with the X Processor 4, delivers high-resolution images and supports DCI UHD 4K video recording. What makes the X100V truly special is its hybrid viewfinder, which allows you to seamlessly switch between optical and electronic viewfinders, giving you a unique shooting experience. The 425 phase detection points and contrast detection system ensure speedy and accurate autofocus. This camera excels in street and documentary photography, offering a discreet yet powerful tool for capturing moments. Its small form factor makes it highly portable, and the tilting LCD adds versatility to your shooting angles. With a wide range of film simulations, including the new nostalgic negative film simulation, it's easy to achieve the desired look straight out of the camera. For those who appreciate classic design and modern performance, the Fujifilm X100V is an exceptional choice. At number 1, Fujifilm GFX100S Medium Format Mirrorless Camera. The Fujifilm GFX100S is a masterpiece for photographers and videographers who demand the utmost in image quality and performance. This medium format mirrorless camera boasts a staggering 102 MP sensor, which, combined with the X Processor 4 quad-core CPU, delivers jaw-dropping image quality and supports professional 4K/30p video recording. One of its standout features is the 5-axis in-body image stabilization, which offers up to 6 stops of vibration reduction. This feature ensures that your shots remain sharp and steady, even in challenging shooting conditions. The phase detection autofocus system covers nearly 100% of the frame and works incredibly fast, even in low light. Whether you're a landscape photographer craving more resolution or a portrait artist seeking beautiful bokeh and color accuracy, the GFX100S has you covered. With 16-bit image output and over 281 trillion colors, it captures details and color tones that are nothing short of astounding. Furthermore, its large format sensor paired with Fujifilm's color science produces consistently stunning results. It's a camera that empowers your creativity and enables you to explore new dimensions in photography. For professionals and serious enthusiasts, the Fujifilm GFX100S is a game changer, offering uncompromising quality and limitless creative possibilities. Thanks for tuning in to JM Express. We hope you enjoyed our latest review and found it helpful in making informed decisions about the products you're interested in. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.